Welcome to the homepage of the Euromed Trade Help Desk, a powerful tool for market analysis and your gateway to understanding trade potential across the Euro-Mediterranean region. When you arrive at the Euromed Trade Help Desk homepage, choose your preferred language from the 4 available options and either log in or register to access the portal's full features. Registration is free, it only takes a few minutes, and will give you access to exclusive features. You will be able to view the contact information of business companies, track the progress of your inquiries, and be able to reach out to the network of the certified trainers. By clicking on the menu on the top right, you can immediately navigate to our 4 modules: Identify Opportunities, Market Information, Global Performance, and the Help Center. You can also access the About section if you want to check the data available through Euromed Trade Help Desk. At the center of the homepage, you can see your gateway to our 3 main modules. The first one is the Identify Opportunities module. It helps you spot the most promising markets and products for trade, both within your region and with the European Union. By comparing trade performance and potential trade, you can make informed business decisions based on market and sector analyses. The second module is Market Information. Here, we offer comprehensive information to help you access various markets. You'll find details about non-tariff measures and other crucial information to support your decision-making process as an exporter. Finally, our Help Center module, where you can submit an inquiry for assistance, whether it's technical support or any specific help you need, including reaching out to the certified trainers in the region. By scrolling down, you'll find an interactive visual tool to see the export potential in the Euro-Mediterranean region and the European Union. It is based on an economic model developed by ITC, which provides a 5-year projection for selecting promising markets and products. As you hover over the region or each country, the tool highlights both realized and unrealized potential. In other words, the additional trade that can be realized within the next 5 years. You can see intra-regional trade potential of the Mediterranean region, or the trade potential of the Mediterranean region to the European Union, and select a country to explore those opportunities. If you do so, you will be redirected to the Identify Opportunities module. You can also navigate the tool on a mobile device and access the export potential information on horizontal bars instead of bubbles. Scrolling further down, you will find a search box, which makes it easy for you to find the information you need. Let's look at how it works. In the From text box, you can type or select the country of Southern or Eastern Mediterranean from which your product originates. In the Which Product text box, you can type the product's name or its 6 digits harmonized system HS code to search for the top 5 closest matches. Alternatively, you can use the HS Product Finder to view the full list and identify the correct HS code. Finally, you can choose the market destination yourself from the list, selecting from the Southern and Eastern Mediterranean countries or the European Union, or using the Export Potential methodology to help you find markets. Click Go, and you will be directed to the results of your search under Market Information module and see trade information, market access conditions, as well as business partners. Please note that the Market Information module has its own separate video tutorial. Further down the page, you will find direct access to the Global Performance module, which provides information on trade in services and investment data. Underneath, you can connect with our certified trainers and read the testimonials from Euromed Trade Help Desk users. Below, you can access the Help Center, the certified trainers page, or submit inquiry, and watch videos about the tool. Thank you for joining us for our first tutorial. Be sure to watch our other tutorials, where we will guide you through Euromed Trade Help Desk modules: the Identify Opportunities module, the Market Information module, the Global Performance module, and the Help Center. To explore the Euromed Trade Help Desk and make the most of its features, don't forget to create your own account. It's quick, easy, and free. See you in the next video. Visit euromed.tradehelpdesk.org.